Again, welcome back. I hope you had a nice little break there. We're moving on now. We talked about the variables. We talked about how they have to be set up, how they have a variable name, how you have your keyword to tell the computer what you're trying to do, and then your value. So remember all of this. You can always go back and look at this again. You can watch the video again that we just went over if you need to. We're moving on though now. We're going to talk about operators. Operators are a part of Java, and they're a way of changing the value of a variable. Different kinds of operators do different things though. So we've got two different operators that we're going to talk about right now. One is the assignment operator and the other one is the arithmetic operator. Yes, even though this is programming, you need to know some math. We're not going to get real deep into math, but math is important in everything you do, even programming. And the people that know math really well, they're the programmers that make the big bucks. So keep that in mind. Apply yourself in math because you will use it in programming. Back to our assignment here, though, we're talking about assignment operators. And actually, the assignment operator is this, the equal sign right there. That is an assignment operator. That says that this variable name is assigned to this value. So, for example, if I have a variable, here's my variable keyword, here's my variable name, expedition leader, and I put a equal sign, and then I put in quotes, PROFES, Professor. Now I've created a variable here, but I'm using this operator, this equal sign, to say that the expedition leader is this. Okay, that's important. Now again, with the arithmetic operators, instead of an equal sign, well, we'd still have the equal sign, but we would have a plus or minus here. So for example, we could have another variable because we're doing VAR, that's our keyword. And then we're going in here, we're going to say lowercase c. So camp rations, that's what you eat at a camp. And if we go equal, now we're dealing with a assignment operator right now. But now we go 2 plus, plus 1. And then we close it. Now, and I forgot to close this one up here. I hope y'all caught that. Okay, now again though, I closed it. Notice a couple of things. One, I didn't use my quotes. With an arithmetic operator, you don't have to use the quotes. But also now I've got these two numbers up here because I'm now using this operator with the assignment operator. Let me read this to you and it may help you. The arithmetic operators are a way of using math calculations to change the values of your variables. They're a very useful way to creating a numerical value for a variable. Then you have your addition, which is to add numbers, and subtraction to subtract numbers. So you really need to take all this into account. Here's some things that, again, you just need to pay attention to. Variable. To do a variable, you have your keyword, your variable name, and your value. Oh, this would be some great test questions right here. Operators. You have your assignment operator, which is your equal sign, your arithmetic operators, which is your plus or minus. So again, I could easily take and copy this and go V and then change that to a minus sign. All right, all of this is good. Now, keep this in mind. Take a break again, think about it. If you want to take a moment and write all this out, it's not that hard. So these are some valuable notes that you can use later. But again, notice I've not saved it as HTML. This is just a lesson about what we're doing with variables and operators. Hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, please let us know.